My wife and I spend a lot of time working remote. We absolutely love it. Hey guys, it's Tim Piver, Kryptek Outdoor Group. We're down here for Western Expo and visiting my friends here at Harker Outdoors. We've got the EDC. It's on our 6-foot bed Tacoma. We absolutely love it. I mean, we've got a full season of use in it now. My wife and I spend a lot of time working remote. We've basically set up the interior. We had these guys do all the basics. The only thing we didn't really do at that time was the Propex heater. And we've regretted it a couple times, not having that, but we've really enjoyed everything else, and we like the space. And the entire truck has been built for us to work remote at extended periods and explore extreme places into the backcountry. We don't have everything mounted on the truck right now because we just drove it down for the expo, but I'll kind of walk you through it here a little bit and show you a little bit more. So one of the things that we did, we certainly have the dirt circuit in there. We just upgraded to their newest solar panels that are really efficient. We didn't have any problems with the originals at all. We upgraded to the new ones. We did a couple other things on our roof. So that's one of the things we were doing down here. But that dirt circuit, we've never really ran that down. But we use this guy. It tells us everything we need to know. We honestly have not been able to get this below 60%, even when clouds and rain and parked under trees and days at a time. And we use the system a lot. We don't run any generators or anything like that. Everything is off of our solar or when the truck is driving, which is this little guy right here. So this runs up to the battery and the alternator for the truck. And so it charges while you're driving, but it also shuts off any discharge coming back from the dirt circuit battery. So it won't bleed out the system when you're stopped and leave you dead in your truck. So that's a super important piece right there. We did opt for side lights. We opt for these interior lights, and then when it's open, we have a light on the upper that shines back and down into the upper portion of the cab area where you sleep. We have a couple magnetic lights because this is a steel frame around here, and we have some magnetic lights that we've added to it that, again, are not in here today. But those are phenomenal. We can move them all the way around the truck. We can put them on the sides. We can put them everywhere. So again, it charges while we drive. Everything's hooked up. The nice thing about the dirt circuit is not only do you have over here on the right side, you've got an inverter system. So you can run your regular chargers for your laptops or any light duty 120 volt electrical. So it works great. You guys can see I have another solar panel that folds out over there. So if we're parked in a situation where we really don't want to move the truck and we just love where it is, but the sun is not coming through trees or something half a day, I can hook that other panel up on the ground. We can charge our other bank from there, and it's very easy. But we love that inverter. And then the other side and this side have two other connection points on the dirt circuit. And so what you've got there is you can see I've got some things plugged in on the left side. That's to charge those lights and other things as we're driving. But you also have another M8 connection on that side that can charge another full battery bank, in the front of the truck if you so wanted to. So we normally have our fridge right here. Again, we had some stuff we were hauling down, so we didn't need to bring that. But that sits here permanently between these two strap-down points. It's never moved, and it's never left us with anything warm. We put our jerry cans a lot on the inside here to keep it from getting too hot on the outside. We also, of course, have external. We've got gas here, and we've got water in the front of that on the side. And then we've also went with, you guys can see the Molly panels in here. We're very much using those all the time. So those Molly panels, the only thing's empty right now is our music, which sits right here. We got a really nice JBL system, but everything's got a purpose. We keep all the hardware for taking this off and connecting over here on the side and turning it into a table or in there. Everything is Velcroed onto the carpet. It's great. It's a commercial grade carpet. And so all the little things that we use really quickly and fast, from a level, just seeing how level we are. All the way to the other side, we've got hammers that quick connect on the side over there for putting in stakes. If we ever have a scenario where we want to put stakes in, we also carry an easy up sometimes that has a drop-in tent, and we can move our desks and everything into that. And actually, we've worked remote on that for weeks at a time. We have leveling for the tires so we can raise the truck up or down and make it level so that we can sleep the way we want to. And everything is super quick. Alligator clips. We also, we go with a little thicker mattress that has a little bigger base underneath because I'm not as young as I used to be and I beat the crap out of my body. So we actually, that's what that container right there is actually holding our doors around for the EDC. And so we started removing those because we thought, how long does it really take, right? We've always stored them up top, but we wanted to put this nicer mattress system in. They come off literally and go on in maybe a minute and a half, 2 minutes. And so the zippers are really easy to put together. So we just started removing those, which makes it super easy to tuck everything in up top here. The other thing that's really nice here, we'll open it and show it to you in a minute, is we went with the fan, the two-way fan. And the two-way fan has been one of the nicest things we've had in the summertime. You can open the side windows, and on the new EDC, you have options of a full roll down, which lets tons of air through there. But in ours, we have a system that's the original half moon windows, which we really like. And the fan makes that super useful. And then there's windows on the doors as well. And so we can pump all the hot air out. And then as it gets cool in the evening, before we go in there to sleep, we can pump cool air in as it cools off during the evening. And so you have both of those options with that fan. So I highly recommend that fan. That's been something we've used a lot. And then as far as the truck, you know, we've added things on the outside. This is something that came in our package that we had the guys do here. It mounts super easy. It's an all-top, so they have fancier ones that fold out, come all the way around the back. We went with a little more simpler version, which is just coming out this side for a couple reasons. They were very specific reasons, but the metal poles are in here. It just comes out and you can stake it down. Like I said, we have the hammers, we have extra stakes, we have all that stuff with us already. These clips here are for when you want to make the table out of the back hatch. And then here's some of the lights I was talking about here. And then the other side, we've added some things. I don't know if we have enough room over here to show it. So we have our traction boards here, but we have an axe that mounts up here on the front of the truck. And then we have our shovel here for, you know, fire or anything that we got to use a shovel for. And you guys can see we've wrapped it in the Kryptek Typhon on the back and here, and then on the truck itself. And that's this, of course, I'm wearing the shirt right now. And so we've highlighted the truck with that, and we love it. It goes with the truck really well. You know, I will say my wife has been, she's right here. So she's part of the company, and she's been on, I virtually only maybe stayed in it one time without her because we spend so much time remote working out of this in the summer and the spring and during hunting season. And a couple of the things that we decided we had to do right away is as soon as we got back, we did the suspension in this truck. We did all the work ourselves. The only thing we didn't put in was the rear locker. This is not a Pro, so it didn't come with the rear locker, so we had to put that in. And I've never done an electric one, so I let the pros do that. But we did everything else ourselves on this truck, any other wiring, any other lights, the suspension work, all that kind of stuff we did ourselves, and of course wheels and tires. One of the things I can tell you, if you don't do right away, you'll want to do right away, and that's make your tailgate flat. That is super nice with this particular, the EDC, because you spend a lot of time walking here and using that extra space, especially if it's raining outside. And this makes it really nice and smooth on your feet at night for coming in and out. And then, of course, we have our own little ladder system. We actually use that particular jumbo step that's sitting right to our right over here. And we use that for getting out of the truck. It's perfect height for that. And you can see they use it as well. Yeah. And then we have, and the other thing we did here too, just because we're kind of persnickety about keeping stuff clean, I guess. You can see from my brush in there. But it's nice to walk around barefoot in here and everything. And so we did put a seal system around everything. And yeah, you know, a little bit dirt gets in there when you're really out romping in the middle of nowhere and it's really moon dust, you know, but mostly of it stays out. So we really enjoy keeping it clean in there when we can, except for the dog, of course. And then some other things that we've done, we've used some other brands that are in the industry that have added some things that I'm sure these guys will probably end up building. So I'll leave that to them. But if you guys follow us, you'll see, you know, some of those other things that we've added to the truck that allow us to haul motorcycles and bikes and e-bikes and all kinds of different things and have them pivot out of the way so we don't have to even take them off. And So we've done a lot of research on a lot of stuff that we've done, but we love it. I guess we'll show you the upper section now. Well, thanks for taking a look at our Tacoma and our Harker EDC. You know, we've just loved this thing. We love these guys. They've taken really good care of us over the time we've owned this, and they keep constantly innovating and coming up with new ideas. I suggest that you follow them. They have a really cool Facebook page too that we all contribute to, all the owners, that I think you'll learn a lot from if you go follow that and join it. It's gotten quite big. And, you know, go to their website and check out the options, check out, you know, the different things that you can do here to build. You'll come up with other things once you start learning more about overlanding if you haven't done it before. Again, you know, you saw a lot of Kryptek Typhon, one of our most popular camo colors in the tactical line for Kryptek Outdoors. And we suggest you follow us as well and check us out and all of our products at kryptek.com.